Hello, my lovelies. How are you all doing? I hope you're good. You're getting ready for the new year. Okay, we thank God that you're alive to see this year coming to an end. This year did not see our end. We give God the glory. Like I told you, some people are going as the year is going, they are going with the year. Some people, as the new year is coming, they are coming with the year. Those that are pregnant, they will give birth. As you are saying, Happy New Year, baby will just come. Wow. Some people, as the year are going, job, they are changing job. A lot have been sacked. So many promotion, so many appraisals, awards, so many. Okay. So many will be rewarded for the good time they really spend with the company. But in your own case, thank God wherever you are. No matter what has been happening, just thank God, for He's able to do all things. Alright, welcome to my channel. My name is Mercy. If today is the first day of you seeing my face coming across my video, you are highly welcome. God bless you. Thank you for clicking to watch my video. Consider to touch the red button to subscribe to my channel. Select all to always get notified from the YouTube whenever I upload a new video. Like and share my video. Put your comment, ask your question. I will attend to you when I'm less busy. The power of your urine. The power of your urine. Actually, I want to talk on something very important this morning based on the question and the comments I've been receiving. Now, if you are a woman, you are a man, okay, you are facing a bad time. Everywhere you and your family go to, it is bad luck. It is setback. It is hatred. Anything you put your hand block, you are covered with cobwebs, spiritual cobwebs of hatred that makes you to only attract hatred, attract negative things. You will be needing your urine, okay, to do this powerful cleansing. You are a woman, you are faced with hatred from your spouse. Your spouse just hates you for no just reason. Or you are a man, your wife just hates you for no just reason. You'll be needing a urine to do this cleansing. Now, your urine is very powerful. As a female, not a male, a female. You know why? Women are open. Women are productive. You give woman a semen like this, she will give you a baby. Okay, that is woman for you. All right, they are mothers. They are full of powers all over them. They can produce and produce and produce and produce. That is the power of woman. God has made them blessed. So you'll be needing a urine to do this cleansing. Okay, now if you are a man, all right, you can get your wife urine. You are faced with bad luck, no promotion in your office, you are even sick. You don't know the cause of the sickness. You'll be using urine therapy as cleansing to able to cure those spiritual sickness. All right, let your wife give her early morning urine when she's not menstruating, when you did not have sex with her overnight. Okay, if that happen, the first urine she will not give you that one, because that urine semen will be inside. whether you like it or not, it will still be there. Then after that first urine, the second urine, all right, she will give you. Now this urine is little. It's not that you are going to fill the bucket. No, just a little urine in your bathing water. You're going to be praying on that water and telling God to cleanse you, purify you, remove every evil coverage, every bad luck, every setback, every pain, every sickness, every barrenness in your business, in whatever you are expecting, whatever you are doing for your living. You're going to use, pray seriously inside that water. You're going to use Matthew 18:18 to do a cleansing using that water of urine. You are a man, your wife just hates you for no just reason. It has been battle and fighting all over in the house. Go, and if you have a little girl, let your little daughter collect her urine from your little daughter. Okay, put in your bathing water and pray as I've instructed. All right, pray very well and use it to bathe from head to toe. All right, you will see changes. You can carry out this bath 3, 5, 7 days as your spirit led. Now you are a woman. Nothing is happening in the home. Anywhere your family go to, it has been rejection and all that. You've been praying and praying and praying and praying. Yes, God answers prayer. You're going to get your urine when you know that your hand is clean, as in you're not cheating on your spouse. You have not put your hand in something bad and you are getting the repercussion to your family. That is what I mean. Okay, you have not sent somebody arrows and the arrows come back to you. Okay, that is when you will be using your urine. When you know that you are clean, your hand is clean, all right, you'll be needing this urine, because he that breaks the edge, the serpent of life will bite. Okay, now you will get your urine in the morning when you are not menstruating. You will get your urine in the morning when you sleep with your husband. Like I said, when you go and urinate, let that one go. When you just little urine in the morning, you will go into pray naked and tell God that naked you come to him for him to clothe you, to clothe this your family with glory, to clothe your family with good things, to clothe your family with open doors. Let them be an open heaven in this house as the mother, the wife of this home. Because the Bible said that when a woman cries, heaven stand at attention to listen to her. All right? You will cry to God after praying. You add water to that urine. Let everybody in the family, if you have salt, a little pinch of salt, let everybody in the family bathe with it. You'll be doing this for the next 7 days. If your case is deep, okay, you will do this cleansing for the next 7 days. I can assure you, things will turn around if you know what you are doing with faith. Add just Psalm 35 to bless that water. That is how you'll be praying that prayer, that God should fight the battle for you. Now you want protection from your family. You want protection. You can also use the same urine. You will read Psalm 91 inside that urine. You will bless it. Everybody in the family will use it and bath. Based on the compound you are living, based on the area you are staying. Okay, you feel that there are a lot of evil people around. There are a lot of witchcraft and wizards around tormenting. You can use Psalm 91, read it on that urine and pray. Everybody will use it to bath. Now, this one will protect you and your family for like 6 months. Okay, after 6 months, you can repeat it again. Everything you're doing, you'll be backing it with the word of God. I can assure you, you will see good things. All right, you will see good things. You are the type that everywhere you enter, they reject you. Everywhere you go, they reject you. Get your wife, if you are a man, or you get the urine of your child, a urine of a baby, an innocent baby, okay? Take that urine and pray Psalm 23 inside that urine, Psalm 21 inside that urine, all right? Psalm 128 inside that urine. Use that urine and wash your hands. Use that urine and wash your face. Use that urine and wash your leg. Like, what I mean is that little urine, you pray all those psalms inside the urine, you add water to it, you use it and wash your face and wash your hands and wash your legs innocently. Those people that have rejected you will be calling you to come back. A baby, a small child, innocent child, that is the urine you'll be taking to do that. Okay? You are sick, and the sickness, you don't even know the cause of the sickness. Even when you know the cause of the sickness, get the urine of a new baby, that have not known anything. All right? Pray on that urine. Drink it. Drink that urine. You can add water to it, but pray on it. Drink it. Okay? It's not a ritual. It's not a morning ritual. It's not a morning ritual. We are not doing it to come and have money. We are doing deep cleansing. When you know that your case is deep, we are doing deep cleansing. And you come and testify. Don't come and ask me question again. No. If I cannot get little baby, what can I use? I've just made the instruction clear. Okay, if you cannot get little baby, you can get your wife. But I did not say man urine. I said female urine. But if you are a man, you are single, you cannot get your mother's urine, you can also use your own urine. Your urine is your urine. You can use your own urine. God understand. Thank you for watching. God bless you.